Hey everybody, Busy Dad here. What we've got here is a pan-fried chicken recipe. Not breaded, just got chicken thighs, very juicy, very moist, very flavorful. Vegetable, bok choy, and some pasta. 3 things in one. This is gonna be an awesome dinner. It's so simple. I made it with my kids standing next to me. Let's see how it's done. To start off, we're gonna need a pan. And we're gonna need some oil. We're gonna spray this all around. And into that pan, we gotta put our chicken. Our chicken here is chicken thighs. That is the most important thing to remember about pan frying chicken. And they should sizzle a little bit when they hit the pan. But ultimately, we're not gonna cook this on high heat, just medium. So move these around a little. Make sure they're not gonna stick. Cover these up, cook them for about 10 minutes on one side, and then check them out.
What about this?
Now once we've washed our hands, to make sure they're totally clean, it's time to chop up some vegetables. Today, bok choy. Wow, it's going everywhere. That's okay, as long as it all ends up in the pot at the end. We're just going to chop this bok choy up. Smallish pieces, the type of thing you might find enjoyable to stick in your mouth. Now it's only been about 5 minutes since I put this chicken on, and yet take a look at this. It's cooked on one side, it's ready to be flipped over. That's pretty quick. I wouldn't think normally chicken thighs would cook that quickly. And you do want to use chicken thighs for this recipe. That's the major thing here. Chicken thighs have a lot of nice fat in them. When you cook them, you don't need to start off with a ton of fat, but it will release fat as it cooks. And that gives us more fat to cook other things in at the end without having to add a lot more. If you do this with chicken breast, you're going to end up with chicken. All of the liquids come out, there's no fat left inside. And that could be good if that's what you want, but it could also end up very, very dry, very chewy, very kid unfriendly, right?
What does that mean?
Now look, let's be honest. We need something to flavor this beyond just chicken fat.
Beyond.
So that's green onion. This is going to go in along with whatever salty flavors we put in. Give this some awesome taste. It smells good just cutting it. Imagine how good it's going to smell in the dish. Here's our chicken, and I am seriously surprised how quickly this is cooking. It's been on here about 5 minutes each side. It needs another 5 minutes at least to make sure that it cooks through in the middle. So that's fine. But what we're going to do is, you can see all this oil in the pot. We're going to put these off to one side. They'll keep cooking. But into this pot go the onion. That's number 1. Number 2 is some freshly ground sea salt. Flavor the vegetables and the chicken. And then a vegetable. We're going to cover this up, steam it, turn it around, stir fry it. So this all goes in the pot, and we cover it back up. So this is all about timing. The chicken's going to finish cooking, and the greens are going to cook down as well. Turn the greens once, at least, while we're cooking it. Look how these greens have turned out. They've only been in here for like 3 minutes. And this is brightly colored. They look awesome right now, but they would still be a little bit crunchy if you ate them. So again, we're going to push these to the side, and they'll keep cooking. And then we're adding the last thing. We need to rewarm the pasta that we've got here. This was of course cooked yesterday. This is part of dinner, so it goes into the pot. This doesn't need to be cooked per se, just warmed through. And we're going to do that with just the right amount of time to finish cooking the chicken and the veg. Well, that's it, folks. The chicken's cooked. The veg is cooked. It smells amazing. And I haven't even really put any sauce on this. Whatever you want to put on now. Could be soy sauce, teriyaki. There are so many possibilities. But this is your basic pan-fried chicken thighs recipe. Chicken, vegetable, pretty much good to go. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget, give me a thumbs up. Click the bell to get notified when I release another video. Subscribe if that's something you want to do. And then join me next time when Busy Dad is cooking.